Hey folks, Anthony here from Zupo Mobile Ventures. Today we're going to discuss the pros and cons of owner financing. All the time we get asked, what is owner financing? It's very simple. It's basically you become the bank. So every month when they pay their mortgage, they're going to pay their mortgage to you as opposed to the bank. The easiest way of doing this is to buy the home cash up front. So when they pay the mortgage, they're paying you back and paying off the mortgage that's already been paid off. You don't have to worry about that. Some of this I also want to explain so that you can see if it'll become a better option for you. And the pros that I've come up with are the long-term cash flow. So obviously you extend the cash flow over a monthly period for an extended amount of time to meet the terms of the loan. ROI is huge. You get a huge ROI on this because you're starting and you're selling this house for maybe $150,000, and that loan could potentially go on from anywhere to 15 to 25 years at a percentage rate of maybe 6% that you're making on every payment over the term of the loan could grow really quickly. The higher selling price. A higher selling price is because you almost guarantee your selling price if you're doing owner financing. People are looking for that option, so they're not going to haggle you on the price because you're already helping them with the owner financing. You have control over the terms, so you set the controls for the percentages, you set the controls for the monthly payments, you control the time frames that they come in on, and you can set all of these to match up to your monthly payments. So you know all your bills are due on the 1st, or the 5th, or the 13th, or whatever it may be, so you'd want to have all of your payments come in before all of your bills are due to make sure you can pay all of your bills on time. A faster closing schedule. Again, it's going to operate on your time, so if you guys want to close faster, you can close faster. You don't have to wait on anybody from the banks. The tax benefits. Tax benefits because you're not getting taxed on a flip of a home sale for $150,000. You're only getting taxed on whatever the down payment was, and that's it. And the retention of ownership until fully paid. So if they don't pay it off, you go through and you hire a lawyer, you get them foreclosed on their home, and you take it back, which is a lot easier than an eviction. The cons for me that I thought was the risk of default. Obviously, you don't want anybody to default on their home, and if they do default on their home, you have to worry about if there was damages to the home, and then getting it fixed back up and putting it back on the market and going back through the whole process all over again. Delayed full payment. So if somebody misses their payments throughout the term of their loan, it's bound to happen. You have to prepare for that. Maintenance responsibility if the default occurs. As I was saying earlier, if they do default on the home and you have to come back and take it through a foreclosure, you have to fix any of those damages. You can small claims court sue them, but it's going to cost more to sue than you would to just fix the home. So you will incur those costs if you do have to foreclose on somebody. One of the other cons would be the legal and administrative costs, obviously, for the legal fees and then for the foreclosure. One of the other cons would be limited buyer vetting. I believe you do limit your buyers when you go to an owner financing because some people will only think they can finance through a big bank, and they only trust a big bank. They don't understand owner financing and how it works. So you do get limited buyers on those. And then the interest rate risk. If you set the interest rate at 3 or 4% and then there's a huge spike in interest rates, you may lose out on that spike over the length of your loan. But don't forget, you're still going to get back 3 or 4 or 5, 6, whatever you set the percentage at in the beginning. So if any of this is an interest of you guys, please like and subscribe. Comments below on something you'd like to learn more about when it comes to mobile home flipping or mobile home owner financing, and we'd be glad to put the videos out for you. Once again, thanks guys. Like and subscribe. Peace out.